Audio Jungle.
So talk a little bit about that collaboration piece, right? Like, what's that relationship like between, Maytag and the distributorship in Australia? How does that all work? What are you guys doing what's got you guys laughing so much? That's what I'm curious about.
I don't know. I suppose we call each other and we message each other. We do the normal things. We've got an issue with the product and we'll go through everything. We have meetings. We have a bit of fun too.
Yeah. What has us laughing? Usually it's about how they talk about things there, right? Like what is it that you call we call sandals, right? They call thongs.
Yeah.
All the different things that you learn about,
So
they supposedly speak English, but yeah.
Yeah. And Jen will go, what's that? Like Arvo.
Right. Arvos, yeah. No, it's a lot of that, but we do take our jobs very seriously,
Yeah.
but we do laugh a lot on just different things about experiences and different words. But we meet Jackie, twice a month and go over things that are going on with Dependable, any quality issues or new products coming, and any questions that they may have. We try to work through issues and then bring back, what we're hearing from, maybe an issue that was on a board. We'll work with engineers and then kind of come back together and say, this is what's going on, or we'd like some more information and try to work closely to resolve those things. Yeah.